Children, I, Mrs. S. Ojha. In previous class, you had studied about advanced feature of Flash CS6. In this class, I am going to teach you tables, hyperlinks and forms in HTML. So let's see. Chapter 3, Tables, Hyperlinks and Forms in HTML. Let's take what is table. Table is a collection of rows and columns, or you can say table is a intersection of rows and columns. HTML provide a feature known as table model allows you to arrange the data like text, images, links, forms by the table. Each table have three parts. First is row, column and cell. The structure of table elements is like this: table tag open and table tag close. In table tag, TR denote the table row, then TD table data give the some text after TD and TD data close, then TD again open, give the data or text, then TD close, then TR close means table row close, then table close. TD represent the table data and TR represent the table row. By these tags you can create row and column for the table. So let's take example. Here a HTML example to create a web page like HTML start, HTML close. After starting the HTML, then give the head for the header section, title, give the title my web page, then title close, then body start. In body we are creating table here like table, then TR create the table row, first row, then TH table heading, in table heading meeting, then second heading TH days and third heading TH is time, and all the headings close by the TH / TH, then TR close. Again next row TR TD means table data morning, TD close, then TD Monday, Wednesday and Friday, then TD close, then again TD 9 AM, then TD close. This is the second row of table data, then TR close, second row close here. Third row TR TD evening TH, then TD Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, TD close, and TD 4 PM, then TD close, then TR close, then again table close. Your whole table close. Here you are prepare here 3 rows and 3 columns, then body close and HTML close. This is the table structure to create a table. Next, if you want to give the caption, then just use here caption tag, like after table caption tag, it give the caption. What is caption? Meeting calendar is a caption of this table, and all the previous comment here, and caption close. Same comment here in previous slide. Next, attributes of table tag. You can change different attributes in a table by these attribute of table tag. like border. You can change border of table. You can give the thick border, thin border, border style. You can change border color, BG color, background color. You can give background picture, cell padding, cell spacing. You can give the spacing between two cell. You can give align to the table, means whatever text you want to place in left side, right side or center in a cell. You can change also height and width of the table or cell. See here, color of title is my web page, title close, body close, border equals to 1, BG color equals to color code. It is a green color code. Border color equals to color code. Then you can give any color name, like BG color equals to red, then background will be red, then BG border color equals to pink, then you can use pink color in this table. Cell padding 5, cell spacing 2, align equals to center, means all the text inside the table is in a center. Height equals to 20%, width equals to 40%. Caption equals to meeting calendar. Caption. These settings change inside the table. So let's take another attribute of TD tag. TD means table data, means particular cell. You can change the attribute align with BG color. If you want to change color in a particular cell, then you can use BG color. If you want to change background in a particular cell, then use the background. And width of the cell, then you can change width attribute. Then if you want to change align of the text in particular cell, then you can use the align attribute. See here, TD BG color light blue, align equals to center. So here second row first column, BG color equals to light blue and align of morning equals to center. BG color next cell, third row first column, TD BG color equals to pink, magenta. So you have magenta in your cell. Align equals to center, then your text is in a center align. Element for separating the heads, body and foot of the table. Then these two main element, TH read and T body, means table body and table head. Then you can change the body color and head color also. So here T head, table head, BG color equals to yellow. Then first row is change in yellow color. Then in a last row, table body, T body color is red. Then row spam and column spam. The cell can spam or merge across more than one column or row. means we can divide the cell, we can merge the cell. Two cells merge in a one cell, and we can also split the cell by the row span and column span. So here row span 2 equals to 2. Second row merge within the one cell. Column span 2 means column merge in a two columns merge in a one single cell. This is the function of row span and column span. Means you can merge two columns by the column span. You can merge two rows by the row span. You have to give the number of rows and number of columns. Hyperlink. What is hyperlink? A hyperlink can be any text or image that takes you another page or file either on the website or elsewhere on the internet. A hyperlink can also take you to another part of the same web page. Children, you have seen in the internet blue color text, and if you take mouse pointer over that text, then there will be hand shape. So this is the hyperlink text. You can also use hyperlink in your web document by the hyperlink feature, and it is used to jump one page to another page or another page to first page by the hyperlink. So let's take, these are three attributes of anchor tag. Anchor tag or a hyperlink can also take you another part of the same web page. So anchor tag have three attributes: href, hyperreference, target and name. Here href means hyperreference at the reference of particular file. A href equals to http hypertext transfer protocol for //www. This is the address of any file. You can use in your computer also. You have to go particular file and select their address from the address bar, copy the address and paste here in a double quotes. Same here. So your file will be inserted or linked with your present file. These are two types: internal hyperlink, external hyperlink. Internal hyperlink link is used to same web page, and external hyperlink is used to another web page. So href as hash global warming. See, create an anchor tag at the place in the page where you want to link, then create a hyperlink which refers to this action with the anchor tag or hash. We can use hash for the internal hyperlink. Next is form. Form in HTML. Form, what is form? Form is just like container which can hold whatever value we give to the computer. So form is just like hard copy form. Like if you go anywhere, school, colleges, then you have to fill a form. Same here, this is soft copy of the form provided by computer or online organizations. You have to fill all the details and click on submit button. So a form can contain input elements like text, field, text area, checkboxes, radio buttons and some action buttons and many more others. Example of form: HTML forms are registration form, compose email form, filling credit card details, giving online exams, survey, filling shipping addresses, etc. There's different number of forms. For the creating of form, you just have to use form tag open and form tag close. And between the form tag, you have to give the element of the form. Next, form controls. There's number of controls of form like buttons, text boxes, check boxes, radio button, list box, drop down list box, text area, file upload, etc. Whatever function you apply on computer system, all the functions you can use within the form according to your requirement. So just take buttons. When you save any document, then a button show to you like save, cancel, yes, no. So this is the button, and you can add button in your form like submit button or remove or cancel button. There's some another control of form like check boxes, radio button, list box, drop down list box, text area, file upload. Text box. What is text box? Text box is a rectangular box which is used to type the text. You can add text box by these codings like text box, form, action, registration form, input type, text, then last name, input type text equals to name, input type text equals to submit, input type text reset. These are some common controls. Button controls. These are three types button control like submit, reset and button. This create a button that automatically submit a form. Whatever detail you fill, you can submit automatically by the form. Reset, if you want to change previous setting, you don't want to change current setting, then you can use the reset. Buttons, this create a button that is used to trigger or client side script when the user clicks that button. Checkbox control. Checkbox use when you want to give more than one choices. If you want to select more than one choices in a single time, then you can use the checkbox. Like if you want to show games name like football, badminton, table tennis, so then you can choose all three. If the child is participating all three games, then he or she can choose all three checkboxes. So this is the purpose of checkbox control in a form. Here input type checkbox, value equals to whatever you want to give. Reading, sketching, dancing, singing, etc. Next is radio button. If you want to select one option at a time, then you can choose radio button control or option button control. Like you fill the gender, male or female. At a time, one radio button only selected. When you select another button, then previous button automatically deselect. List box control. List box control is used to select single or multiple option at once. Provide the list of single or multiple option. Text area control. To let the visitor enter then one line of the text, you should create a multiple line text input control called text area using tag, text area tag. Drop down list control. Drop down, you can also write and choose another list with the drop down list control. Here English, Hindi, Urdu, Spanish. So you can give also another language like Sanskrit here and choose another language also. This is the feature of drop down list. In list control, you just see the list, you can't type, but in the drop down list you can choose and type both. Combo list box, it is also known as combo box. File upload control, it is used to upload the file on internet. So these are some controls used in creating HTML document or web file. That's it, student. I hope you understand all the topic very clearly. So have a nice day. I am attaching PDF file with this video. You have to do all the work very neatly in your fair copy and revise again your topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.